In this video, I'll show you how to change or increase your Zelle limit, step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Zelle probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Increasing your Zelle limit is actually a quick and simple process, but there are a few important requirements you need to know before getting started, so make sure you follow along closely. First, the most important requirement is that you must be enrolled with Zelle through a bank or credit union. If you are not enrolled with Zelle through a bank or credit union, you won't be able to increase or change your limit. When you're not enrolled through a bank, your weekly sending limit is typically capped at $500, and your weekly receiving limit is usually up to $5,000 through the Zelle mobile app. In this case, there is no option to request a higher limit, so keep that in mind. Now, if you are enrolled with Zelle through a bank or credit union, the process works a little differently. To increase or change your Zelle limit, you don't need to contact Zelle directly through their app or website. Instead, you'll need to contact the specific bank or credit union you're using with Zelle. Start by opening your bank's mobile app or visiting your bank's official website. From there, go to the customer service or support section. Every bank is different, so the exact steps may vary depending on which bank you use. For example, if you're enrolled with Zelle through Chase Bank, you would contact Chase customer support directly. As long as your account is in good standing and you have a positive history with the bank, they'll review your request and let you know whether your Zelle limit can be increased or adjusted. Just remember, this process only works if you're enrolled with Zelle through a bank or credit union, since Zelle itself doesn't control individual account limits. Zelle is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Zelle offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review, covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.